Hey, what's up, everybody? Oh, man. So the weather has not been cooperating with me today. It's been like off and on rain all day, so I had to curb a few projects, but I got a lot done anyway. That Vampire Hunter hammer is done for the most part. I'm going to put some clear coat on it once the stain dries. Now that's a friction fit, so it is on there good. I got two of the hickory daggers and one oak dagger. Bunch of poplar stakes are in the back there. The Nightwing sticks are in the stain. I'll come back tomorrow and do the cord wrap on those. I managed to get one hammer stake done. Those are kind of a pain. Those and the daggers are kind of a pain to make, and they are really difficult to sand. So that took up most of my time today. But everything is in the tung oil or in the stain. I'll come back in the morning and start cord wrapping stuff. And most of this stuff will probably go on the shop tomorrow. The hammer thing, that'll probably go up next week because I've got to do a few more things to get it finished. But that's it. I am heading out. I'll be back tomorrow to finish all this stuff up. As always, link to the shop is in my bio. Warrior Arms and Props. I am out.